BSc फर्स्ट इयर प्रिय विद्यार्थी आणि विद्यार्थिनींनो, आजच्या आपल्या या तासिकामध्ये आपण रॅट हा ॲनिमल मॅमल्स ह्या चॅप्टरमधून टाईप स्टडीजसाठी सिलेबसमध्ये ठरवलेला आहे. तर आपण आज रॅटचं डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम आणि रॅटचं रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम ह्या दोन सिस्टीम अभ्यासणार आहे. So listen here carefully and try to understand. One of the animal from the Pisces was for type study, means a study of different systems. Name of that animal is a Scoliodon. Now from the mammals, last chapter, one of the animal for the type study is the rat, and rat is a common animal. Everybody have observed the rat. तुम्ही प्रत्येकानं रॅट म्हणजे उंदीर हा बघितलेला कॉमन ॲनिमल. त्याची डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम, त्याची रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम, त्याची सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टीम आपल्याला अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये ठेवलेली आहे. बिकॉज द डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम ऑफ रॅट, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम ऑफ रॅट and human systems are somewhat similar with little difference. थोड्याफार फरकाने मानवाच्या ह्या सिस्टीम्स आणि रॅटच्या सिस्टीम जवळपास सारख्याच आहे. रॅटची सिस्टीम अभ्यासली म्हणजे जवळपास सर्व मॅमल्सच्या सिस्टीम्स आपण अभ्यासल्या with little difference. So now we will start the digestive system of rat. Dear students, digestive system means the system in which food is taken inside the body. Food is taken inside the alimentary canal, digested, and nutritive material is supplied to the different parts of the body, and the excretory material is thrown outside the body. That is called as the digestive system. पचन संस्था. पचन संस्था म्हणजे काय? तर आपण अन्न घेतो. अन्न घेतल्यानंतर त्याच्यामधलं पाचक द्रव्य, न्यूट्रिटिव्ह मटेरियल आपल्या शरीरामधल्या सर्व अवयवांना, टिश्यूजना, सेलपर्यंत पोहोचल्या जाते. आणि डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम मधलं जे वेस्ट मटेरियल आहे दॅट इज थ्रोन आउटसाइड द बॉडी. सो दॅट सिस्टीम इज कॉल्ड एज द डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम. सो व्हेन युअर डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम वी आर स्टडींग ऑफ एनी एनिमल, so you have to divide the digestive system into two parts. One is the alimentary canal and second one is the associated glands, which is also called as the digestive glands. So here alimentary canal and second one is the digestive glands. आपल्याला अभ्यास करताना आपला अभ्यास इझी गोईंग मध्ये व्हावं, सोपं व्हावं म्हणून डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीमला आपण काय केलं, दोन पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड केलं. कशाची डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम जर आपण अभ्यासत असेल तर इन दॅट डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम देर आर एलिमेंटरी कॅनल अँड देर आर डायजेस्टिव्ह ग्लँड्स. दिस डायजेस्टिव्ह ग्लँड्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द असोसिएटेड ग्लँड्स बिकॉज दे आर इन द असोसिएशन ऑफ एलिमेंटरी कॅनल. सो दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द associated glands. Remember. So here alimentary canal we will study first. So this alimentary canal starts from the mouth. Alimentary canal in a rat starts from the mouth. So mouth is the first anterior most interior opening, आतच्या साइड मध्ये ओपन होणार organ of the alimentary canal. Mouth is the first organ of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, that is a long, elongated, tube-like structure of varying diameter, different diameter, starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. So remember, this alimentary canal starts from the mouth and it is in the human being ends at the anus. So alimentary canal starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. In between the mouth and anus, again there are different organs. After the mouth, the buccal cavity is there. buccal cavity, which is also called as the mouth cavity. Then in the mouth cavity, there is the tongue, there is the teeth. Then this mouth cavity opens into the next, that is the pharynx. Pharynx. After the mouth, next part of alimentary canal is the pharynx. After the pharynx, esophagus, this part, esophagus. ज्याला आपण गळा म्हणू किंवा गळ्यामधली ट्यूब म्हणू, esophagus. After the esophagus, stomach is there, large bag-like structures. Bag-like structures. The eaten food, whatever may be food eaten, that is stored in that bag. So that bag-like structure is called as the stomach. So remember, sequence is important. Mouth, then buccal cavity, then pharynx, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, which is also called as the rectum, and then the last exterior opening, throwing dirty material, waste material of digestive system outside, that is called as the anus. So anus is the last opening, last and exterior, बाहेरच्या दिशेला घाण बाहेर टाकणारे ऑर्गन anus, आणि mouth is the interior opening. Mouth is the anterior first opening of the alimentary canal, and that is interior, means intake from the mouth. So this is about the alimentary canal. And again, next part is the digestive glands. In the examination, you give the number like to A for the alimentary canal and B for the digestive glands. And right after alimentary canal, second number here, digestive glands. So digestive glands in the rat is of three types: salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. Salivary gland, you know, saliva. Salivary gland is present in the mouth at the sides of the tongue towards the posterior opening, towards the posterior side. आपल्या जिभेच्या राईट आणि लेफ्ट साइडला मागच्या बाजूला दोन ग्लँड्स असतात, त्याला म्हणायचं सॅलिव्हरी ग्लँड. Similar salivary gland is present in the rat that secreting the saliva, and when the rat taking the solid food, that time crushing the solid food into the powder, and that saliva mix in that powder, and that solid food becomes the liquid food, which is easy to swallow. गिळण्यासाठी रॅट जे काही सॉलिड फूड खाईल त्याला चुरा करेल दाताना, पावडर करेल त्याचा. आपण सुद्धा जे अन्न खातो त्याला दाताना बारीक चावतो, आणि त्याच वेळेस सॅलिव्हरी ग्लँड पासून सेक्रेशन जे ते सलाइवा, राळ ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, ते त्या अन्नामध्ये मिक्स होते आणि ते अन्न लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये होते, अँड दॅट इज इझी टू पास इनटू द नेक्स्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ alimentary canal. Then liver secreting the different enzymes that mix in the food, and that food become easy for digestion. Similarly, pancreas will also secrete the digestive juice or enzymes, and this food becomes digested. So remember, in the digestive system there is alimentary canal. In alimentary canal there is the mouth, then buccal cavity, then pharynx, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, which is also called as the rectum, and then last opening, that is called as the anus. So this is sufficient about the alimentary canal. Next one is the digestive glands. Digestive gland is also called as the associated glands because they are in the association of alimentary canal. So in rat, three types of the digestive glands: salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. They secrete their secretion, which is also called as the enzymes, that mix in the food, and food becomes easy for digestion. Then physiology of digestion. Physiology of digestion means whatever food is taken in the alimentary canal, that is digested, and the nutritive material, pachak dravya, supplied to the different parts of the body, and waste material is thrown outside the body. So this is sufficient about the digestive system. Now we will study the another system, that is the rat, and system is the respiratory system. So rat is a terrestrial animal. So respiration is with the help of lungs. Scolodon is aquatic animal. Scolodon, पायसेस, पाण्यामध्ये राहणारा, पाण्यामध्ये श्वासोश्वास करणारा, कल्ल्याच्या द्वारे श्वासोश्वास करणारा. Respiration with the help of gills, and here respiration with the help of lungs. So respiratory system means the system which is taking oxygen inside the body, fresh air inside the body. That oxygen is supplied to the different parts of the body, that utilized, that convert into the carbon dioxide, and that all carbon dioxide from different organs of the body is collected to the lungs, and from the lungs it is thrown outside the body. Intake of oxygen and outtake of the कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. ऑक्सिजन घेणे, त्याचे रूपांतर शरीरामध्ये कार्बन डायऑक्साइड मध्ये करणे आणि ते कार्बन डायऑक्साइड परत ॲटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये सोडणे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. सो in respiratory system there are different organs. So respiratory organs. So in the rat, lungs, alveoli, which is also called as the air sacs, nasal cavities, pharynx, larynx, trachea and bronchi, these are the respiratory organs. Lungs, you know, ज्याला आपण फुफ्फुस म्हणतो, आपल्या बॉडी मध्ये सुद्धा प्रेझेंट आहे. A rat is a terrestrial animal, so it respires with the help of lungs. And respiration with the help of lungs is called as the pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration. So in rat there is the pulmonary respiration, means respiration with the help of lungs, means the terrestrial respiration. So organs which is taking part in the respiratory system, that is the lungs. So lungs is the main organ of system. Then alveoli, that alveoli is also called as the air sacs, and this is nothing but the cells of the lungs. Neuron is the cells of brain or nervous system. Nephron, cells of the kidney. Similarly, alveoli are the cells of lungs, respiratory organs. Now nasal cavities. This is the nasal cavities. या नाकपुड्या जे आहे दोन, ये pair of nasal cavities, and it is separated into the right and left by a septum. ह्या दोन्ही नाकपुड्याच्या मधात एक पडदा आहे. या दोन श्वासोश्वास घेण्यासाठी, श्वासोश्वास सोडण्यासाठी, that cavities are present. नाकाच्या द्वारे the fresh air, atmospheric air goes inside the body, and it is under control of the lungs. Remember, this is only for the passage of the air, but that is under control of the lungs. So lungs, lung cells, alveoli, then nasal cavity, this, then pharynx. इथे आहे pharynx. नाक, कान आणि गळा जंक्शन. नाकाचं, तोंडाचं आणि कानाचं जे ओपनिंग आहे एक आतमध्ये इथे, त्याला म्हणायचं त्याला म्हणायचं नासल कॅव्हिटीच्या नंतर फॅरिक्स. फॅरिक्सच्या नंतर जे आहे तर लॅरिक्स. लॅरिक्स म्हणजे कंठ, आपला कंठ. त्याच्यानंतर ट्रॅकिया, डिवायडेड, लंग्सचे जे पाईप आलेले डिवाइड झालेले फुफ्साकडे, दोन्ही फुफ्साकडे, चार फुफ्साचे लंग्सचे जे पार्ट आहे तिकडे लंग्स, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द ट्रॅकिया. आणि ट्रॅकियामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या ब्रांचेस आहेत, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्रॉन्ची और ब्रोंकाय. देन mechanism of respiration, how the fresh air entering in the body and how the carbon dioxide is expelled outside. So in the respiration there is the two small process, inspiration and expiration. So mechanism of respiration, remember respiration म्हणजे श्वासोश्वास, that is also called as the breathing. So this respiration or breathing involves inspiration and expiration. Inspiration means taking fresh air inside the body. ऑक्सिजन शरीरामध्ये घेणे, ऑक्सिजनचं कार्बन डायऑक्साइड मध्ये रूपांतर झालं तर त्याला बाहेर टाकणे. सो इन्स्पायरेशन अँड एक्सपायरेशन, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द रेस्पिरेशन. So dear students, for today it is sufficient what we have studied. Just I will conclude here. Today we have studied the digestive system. In digestive system, alimentary canal. In alimentary canal, from mouth to anus, and digestive glands, that is the salivary gland, liver and pancreas. Then we have studied the respiratory system. In respiratory system, there are the respiratory organs. Respiratory organ is lung, alveolar, then nasal cavities, pharynx, larynx, trachea and bronchi. Then mechanism of respiration. So inspiration and expiration is called as the respiration or breathing. So for today it is sufficient. Send your attendance as early as possible. लवकरात लवकर तुमची प्रेझेंटी पाठवायची. I will put that attendance in your register. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.